Hello, friends. Today, we're stirring up a story that's as hearty as the dish itself, the history of Hungarian goulash. Goulash began in the Middle Ages with Hungarian herdsmen. They slow-cooked cubes of meat with onions and spices in iron cauldrons over open fires. A practical, filling meal for life on the plains. By the 18th century, paprika became a defining ingredient, giving goulash its signature color and flavor. The dish traveled across Europe, adapting to local tastes, from thick stews to soup-like versions. Today, goulash is more than a meal. It's a national symbol of Hungary. Served at festivals, family tables, and even in fine dining, it celebrates tradition and togetherness. So, have you ever tried authentic Hungarian goulash? Share your experiences and favorite twists in the comments. We'd love to hear your story.